circle it down a little bit. A bit of a tap. I'm not sure if this is the right way to do it, but that's how I'm doing it. So I'm no bike mechanic, as you can probably tell. I'm just getting it down to suit me as a novice. That's what I am. I'm a novice. I'm a woodworker actually, and that I'm not a novice at. I do a lot of woodworking. And I hope to think I'm quite good at it too. Right, got my forks on, in the bearing. Handlebars are not straight. I'll do them when I've got the wheel in. I'll straighten them up. At the moment, that's good enough to actually just to show you and see what I've done. So I'll swap the old forks over. Now, like I say, I haven't got the V-brake bits on there as you see on on these forks here. It's designed to take the old V-brakes, you know, the ones where you have the wire comes down and it pulls up in the middle and it squeezes the brakes. And these forks are designed for disc brakes because these are modern forks. So I need to find a new wheel for the front of this bike. Anyway, that's my little video on how I swapped over my DFS air and hydraulic dampened forks, and I'm quite excited about them. They look quite nice actually, don't they? And they're 160 or 170, 169 euros. That's what they cost on Amazon Prime. I'll put a link below in the old video. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you guys can, give us a like and subscribe, and maybe hit the little bell icon, because then you might get another stupid video that I've made. Quite frankly, it's from the Village Idiot. That's me. And every time I upload another video, you'll get a notification in your pocket. Alright, thanks for watching.